Hello friends, do you know what this is? This is a multi-core flat cable. However, each conductor is a solid core. It is not multi-stranded. I've been searching for this all over the world in Google, the internet, using different terms, different words in English and in Spanish, and I haven't found it anywhere except Chile. Apparently, Chile is the only country that makes this kind of cables, or flat cables. In Chile, this is very common. It's called a flat cable Caleco. It can have 3 conductors or 2 conductors. It can have sizes from 1.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters. And it can have 2 cores of one size and another core of a smaller size. If you have seen this in your country, and you can buy it in a store, you've used it, you found it installed in some home, please leave your comment below. Tell me what's the name you have for this kind of flat cable. This material is used quite frequently in Chile to extend electricals or put a new appliance somewhere without putting it in ducts or in the walls. Simply clamp it to the wall and it's fixed there, it doesn't move, it doesn't need to be flexible. This kind of flat cable is one of the first things that is removed from a house when it's being refurbished. And it has lots of copper there for us to collect. To get the copper out, we have 2 methods, 2 steps we have to go through. First of all, we have to take off the jacket by slicing it all along and opening it up. We can do that with this kind of stripper that uses a knife. A pointed screw that goes cutting into this plastic, the PVC, and it allows us to open it up. And once we have the single wiring out, we make each one go through the machine that squeezes the wire between 2 rollers. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.